What is going on, guys? It's your boy Slick, and today we're back on Rising Storm. It's been a very long time since I've played this game consistently. I have gone back every now and then. I'll play a little bit, maybe an hour every here and there. But I don't know what it is about the game. There's just, I feel like maybe it's the fact that none of my close circle plays it, so maybe that's why I don't go into it. And it's just easier for me to play Tarkov. I've been way too addicted to Tarkov, and I usually take one shooter in at a time, if you guys understand what I mean. But regardless, Rising Storm still holds a very dear space in my heart. It clearly revived my main channel for an amount of time. I mean, I was one of the first people to play it and post videos on it, which was pretty crazy. So they're adding a new update, which adds a new helicopter, which I'm most excited about, the Bush Ranger. This is a Huey with 2 miniguns, 14 rockets, and dual M60 turrets on each side, which is, along with the new helicopter, they're also adding ANZAC, or the Australian New Zealand Army Corps. So they all have customizable skins, 3 new maps, and new weaponry. The FAL, the FN FAL, is coming into the game. It shoots a 7.62 NATO round, which is pretty cool. I got to use it a little bit, and you'll see some gameplay of it in the background. It's a pretty cool gun. They also add the Owen Smg, which is a top-loaded machine gun, or submachine gun. It's pretty cool. And the Browning High Power as their pistol. I think it's Browning's take on a Colt 45. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. So the Bush Ranger, the Huey, which is cool because it can, I believe it can transport a number of people, along with being a pretty unique fighting helicopter. It spawns with the gunner, the combat pilot upgrade, or like combat pilot club. You need a gunner for it, kind of like the Cobra. The gunner sits in the left seat, he has a pull down, and he operates the machine guns, which are actually traversable. Pretty interesting. And then the pilot only deals with the rocket pods, and there's only 14 rockets. There's a couple new maps, and then the ANZAC troops also get a Canberra as their call-in arty, or call-in airstrike, which is interesting. If you guys play War Thunder, it's the Canberra that's in the game as for Britain or America. I mean, B-57. Same principle. It's the same aircraft, and it's pretty cool. So we'll see those in approximately 2 months from now, maybe a month or 2 out on this patch. So just enjoy the gameplay in the background. I was just testing out the new map. Obviously, everything's going to get redesigned when it finally goes to full release. I mean, like retextured and reshaded and stuff. That's how the game usually works. But in terms of playing it, I had a lot of fun. I was doing pretty well. And this night map was pretty cool. I think it was Long Tan was the name of the map. And they also have Rungsack, and I think I played a different map for the helicopter portion of this video, which also looks like a pretty cool map. I like the open expanse. And I liked the map I played at night. I liked how the layout was. It was like a long, thin strip where you would just kind of push up and you had different objectives. And it seemed like there would be a lot of cool firefights when the game comes to, 32 versus 32 or however many people you actually have in the game. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you're thinking about this update. And let me know if you're excited for it. I can't wait to fly this helicopter, to be honest. I think that the Huey with rockets and miniguns is just such a cool aircraft. I wish they added the one with the nose mounted 30 mil. I think it's pretty cool. What were they called? Hogs? Wild Hogs? I don't know. I could be wrong. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay. Peace, peace.
We are taking Bravo! taking Bravo. We have taken Bravo. We are taking Charlie. Bravo is being attacked. We are taking Delta.
Chúng ta sẽ chiến thắng.
We are taking Delta.
Gần đến đích rồi. Chỉ còn thêm
We have taken Delta.
ta thấy thế nào.
Return to the combat area.
I was a terror since the public school era. Bathroom passes, cutting classes, squeezing asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby nigga on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got the Mac in my knapsack, lounging black, smoking sacks up in axe and sidekicks with my sidekicks, rocking fly kicks.